Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hope you're having a good one. Man, the Bitcoin video, if you guys have not watched that, you guys all got picked up at the bottom prices down here, 42,626. If you guys have our membership over at Trade Confident, great job. You all got picked up. You are all in the profit right now. We are going for our 39th for 39th winning trade on Bitcoin right now on this channel. We've never lost a trade. And so we're going to go over Ethereum today because we're currently managing this trade. We're going to go over the emotional index today for Ethereum, the long versus short trades. We're going to go over the long versus short trade risk today, the well and institutional smart money, which did end up predicting some drops in here, guys. Support resistance prices, the dollar cost average entries, and exit points. So guys, everything you're going to see today, make sure you are signed up. It's just $49 a month, and you guys can see all the live trades right here as well as the indicators. Okay, let's go over this trade. This trade is crazy. We ended up getting into the discount of this when we saw this waterfall crash, and we didn't actually get picked up at the very bottom here. I was hoping we would, but it's okay. No worries. What happened is we got in at 3,510, and I'm going to make this very applicable for those of you guys who want to trade this coin today. So watch this whole video. I'll help you guys get into this with really good risk management because it's crazy discounts. And if you follow this video and the entry I'm going to share with you guys at the end of how to trade this, you will be getting a better entry than what I show on this channel. So when we win this trade, you will be doing literally like 100% more than what we win, okay? Watch this. What happens with this strategy, and let me take this off for a second so I can actually draw some lines here, is that once your first buy limit gets hit and then your second one, your dollar cost average entry actually moves in your favor. So here's what we have to do. You need to take out a calculator, and I want you guys all to do this with me because this is how we're actually managing this trade. This is live. I'm literally in this trade right now, guys. To prove this to you, here's the account balance right here. We did cross below 11,000 here because of the drop, but let me show you guys what this is. I just want to keep everything transparent. I'm literally trading this. Oh, we didn't. Okay. We're still above 11,000. That makes me feel good. All right. That's pretty cool. So what we need to do is take $3,510. We need to add that to the second buy limit, which was down here at 3,007.91. Add that together and divide this by 2. So the break-even entry point right now is this. So this is called the break-even. So break-even, this is sitting at the coordinates of 3,258.95. All right, take this out, make this little style line. I like to make this blue in here just because it's kind of fun. All right, now instead of us being down a total of 14% at the moment, the trade is only down right now. We have to take this and actually flip this. We are only down at the moment. Sorry, go here, break even. Now we're down here. Let me pull this to there, and then I need to pull the other one. Just a second. Sorry, guys. Instead of being down 14%, this trade is actually only down about 7.75%. But we've already exited 50% in here. So that's why I said, guys, this is either going to be the smallest loss we've ever taken, or it's going to be just a guaranteed win. I do believe we're going to get back up here and we could push back up to this break-even price and we could do very well. So we just mitigated 50% of our loss in the charts here just by dollar cost averaging. And now watch the trend exhaustion down here at the bottom as I show this to you guys. So if we come over here and we open this up, you guys can see that this is pushing to the bottom section here. When this was at the top red section, as well as the well money flow at the top section here, guys, this is where I was showing you this is not a place to be buying. I did this on last week's videos. If you guys did your homework and you guys were watching this, if you had your alerts set up for this indicator. By the way, this indicator is going up in 10 days. The last time to grab it at this price, 10 days, I am raising the price of this. It's in the description. It's over here. Real quick, guys, here's the trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, price for swell money flow. This is the bundle pack. This will not be going up in price. Okay. I want to make that clear. So I'm going to get over the analysis. Just give me 1 second. This will not go up in price. These indicators are going to be going up in price over the next 2 to 3 months before the end of the year. That means if you guys get this here, you will always have appreciating value in your indicators. Okay. So looking at this, what I was looking for was this drop in the market because we were in the top red section of the trend exhaustion. I also mentioned to you guys last week, if we pair these two together and we just simply look at the money flow of the whales in here and we take price off, when this is at top sections as well as the trend exhaustion at top sections, guys, when we got up here and we had that positive correlation of both of them, it was right up in this section right here. This was telling everybody, please do not go long, because historically I've been proving to you guys time and time again, when the trend exhaustion pushes into the top red section here, we are not moving up. It called the drop there. We literally called the drop here. When it got to the bottom, it called the pump back up in the price, okay? Even when we got to the bottom over here, which had traders get into 88, literally at the bottom, it called the pump there. And then on top of that, I told you guys it called the drop over here as well. So not only did it call this massive drop in the market we just saw, if you guys look at this over here and it pushed into the top red section with the well money flow at the top red section, guys, like this is literally calling the tops here before we saw the waterfall move back down. This is going to save you guys, like some of you, it's going to save you tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars just with this indicator alone. When we're in the top red section, I'm not a financial advisor, but guys, please do not be buying into crypto. Like, please don't do it. I know people did because there's green candles in here because they thought they were going to the moon. Like, guys, we've been able to predict every major drop for this entire year if you go back and look at this indicator. And I'm not overshooting that. Like, it is seriously true. We called this drop in the market. We ended up getting picked out at the bottom. We won that trade. We ended up calling the drop in the market for here, right here as well. We won the Bitcoin trade. Now we're all in at super low prices for Bitcoin and other coins, and now we're going to ride this back up. Get this indicator on your chart, guys. I really think it's going to help. Now let's fast forward to current date here. What are the indicators telling us? Well, we're at a super low point for the well money flow, which is at the bottom here. But take a look at this. Like, this is super low. Even when we got down here, guys, the market could not help itself but actually move up before we started moving back down. Like, that's how crazy accurate this is. It's like, no, it's like the whole market took a pit stop just to prove that the indicator is true, and it pushed us back up when we got to the bottom red zone. It's like, it's kind of funny, but it's like crazy how accurate it is. So what I'm watching for right now, let me clean this up a little bit, and I'll get over to the metrics for Ethereum, is that, guys, if you're in this trade, congratulations. If you're not in this trade, guys, get into a market order this morning. I'll show you how to do this and how to manage this morning real quick. Okay, guys, it's going to be so good and so much favor for you guys on this because you ended up being patient. It's in the bottom red zone. We're also seeing the trend of exhaustion is low. What do I expect? I expect to see moves back up. All right, obviously we're heading back up here from the bottom, and this could be where we start seeing a little bit of a correction for Ethereum back up. Guys, once this line moves up into the top red section, and if we are above break even, I am taking an exit on this trade. Like 100% exiting the rest of the 50%. Please keep updated on this channel, but that's what I'm looking for. So make sure you guys have this indicator to follow me on this trade if you guys are in here with me. All right, let's go over the metrics. I'm going to kind of fly through here so it's not a longer video, and I want to show you guys how to set up for this trade if you're not in here already. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when all of our metrics update, which is literally in an hour and 10 minutes. I'm sorry if I talk fast, guys. I'm excited, and I'm going to try to slow this down but make it coherent. All right. What should you guys have been doing the last few days as far as, taking trades? You shouldn't have been taking any trades. You should have just been managing and have your buy limit set up. This was sitting in the neutral section here because what we ended up seeing was basically just, it made sense. People are like, okay, we're not shooting up or not moving back down. It's just like this, it's kind of just like this zone of what's going to happen. And if you guys are watching the indicators in here, this was calling the drop in the market. Watch what happens today when this comes back out. I can guarantee you guys that as this metric updates this morning, this is probably going to move back down into the anxious and possibly the fearful section. What do you guys need to do when all the emotional index for retail traders and the market of a whole is in anxious and fearful? What do? Buy. This is the time to be buying. Watch this. When you guys watch this metric come out this morning, like I don't know what it's going to look like because I'm going to forecast with you guys, but I guarantee you guys this is going to show that long, well and institutional smart money is going long right now. Like I guarantee you guys this is going to show a long bar up here because the market is dropping. People are fearful. They're waking up Monday morning and they're selling because they're like I'm proving it to you guys here. Like East Coast has already been up for 3 hours past us. And like over the night, it's like they're selling. This is where a lot of retail traders are going to get scared and they are already selling. I'm telling you guys, if you watch this metric, this is where long trades are going to be accumulated for smart money in the market. So make sure you guys watch that. Long for short trades for Ethereum here. We did see short trades still, increasing here. So we saw an increase in short trades just a little bit here and long trades stay the same over the weekend. This is a bearish sign for a move back down. If you guys are watching this, you guys can even scroll in here a little bit more if that helps, and I can show you this. This is on an uptrend right here. This just went flat during the weekend. So short trades increasing over the weekend on the exchange. Basically, this is like on-chain metrics, like literally live transactions happening. Short trades did increase over the weekend, the last 2 bars. Long trades stayed the same. This is a little bit of, it's a prediction of a move back down. More pressure on the market for short trades is not going to give us a positive sign that it's going to go up. it's most likely going to keep going down. All right, coming down here, looking at this trade here, guys, this is most likely going to push down to good long trade or great long trade today or tomorrow. Why is that? Is because we are only buying on discount. We are not getting in when the metric, like literally this popped out of the top of the metric bar out here, and I coded it like this when we get super high. This is where a lot of people FOMO'd into the market and they said we're going to the moon, and they lost their shorts. If they had the indicators, they would have clearly seen this is where we were expecting to drop, and that's why we literally called the drop here, got into a trade, and we won a trade already back here. Even on here, guys, we won 4 trades last week. 4 trades if you guys followed the channel, just based off this drop right here alone, and we're managing it from now. Okay, moving down, watch this. I guarantee you guys are going to see bars start forming up here as we start moving down, because this is what smart money does. They buy the fear and the anxiety of all the retail traders. All right, where is Ethereum going to go? The first pit stop, like I was calling to you guys last week, was right around this mark of 3,100, 3,200. Okay, where is that? 3,100, 3,200 was right around here on the charts, and that put us right at this structure low. That's what we were looking at. We got there, we shot past that, we got all the way down to the structure low, actually over here, and then we started seeing the bounce back up from there. So we ended up actually coming down to these lower levels where it was the wick value, and then we started seeing moves back up. Now, if Ethereum can get some pressure to move back up here and get some bull momentum, where are we going to head? Well, 3,500 is my first target that I want you guys to be looking here. 3,500 would put us basically at our first entry. Listen very carefully, guys. If this thing gets back up here and it pumps up to 3,500, guys, we are taking profit on this trade and we're going to win this. I think Bitcoin's going to be our first win this week, which will be 39 for 39 winning trades on this channel. I think maybe Ethereum or 88 will be the second, and that'll be 40 for 40 winning trades here. Okay, so make sure you guys do watch that. Let's go down here and we'll finish up. Dollar cost average entries, guys, you're doing fantastic. If you guys got into any of these trades and you're holding for 5 to 10 years, congratulations, you're making crazy money. This metric did come out here and it did call a drop in the market here. Like this has dropped way further than here that you guys know already. This is saying, guys, if you're in a long trade, please pay attention to this red space up here, because this is predicting drops back down in the market. So as I promised you guys, here's what you need to do if you want to get into the Ethereum trade right now. You guys need to go over to live trades, get your subscription, literally $49 a month. Take a look at the profits over here, just pit stop. Like $49 a month is insanely cheap. I know it is. I should be charging hundreds of dollars. This guy made $1,800, $500 in 12 hours, 24% on 88, $300 right here. Like just $4,000 to $5,000. It's insane what these guys are doing in here. And I just, $4,000 to $5,000 again right here. Jessica did so good on that trade. Derek, you did so good. $5,500 thousand with just the trend exhaustion indicator alone. So anyways, excuse me, go down here and just have fun, guys. I'm adding stuff literally every single week to this page here. So pricing, $49 a month, go to the trade, and here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to click right here. If you guys would like, you can come in and you can market order. I don't say this a lot, but I'm giving you guys, showing you how to do this. You can go ahead and market order into this trade right now if you would like. What you're going to see on the chart is this, and I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example. Here's what I want you guys to do. This is what Bitcoin looks like. Right now, you guys can market order into Ethereum. You take the allotment that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal sections, so 25%. Again, let's pretend this is Ethereum. You're going to market order in right now at the current price when you watch this video for 25%, okay? What I want you guys to do is, since you are foregoing the first buy limit in here, instead of waiting for it to drop back down and get into what all of our traders did down here at the bottom, you're entering right now. What I need you guys to do is simply just skip the first buy limit and place your first buy limit at the second yellow line. Okay, and then work your way down. So if this was Ethereum, you can market order into 25% right now. Crazy discount right now. Get into this trade, guys. I'm serious. And follow me on this channel so you guys can, manage these trades and win these trades with us. 25% right now. Your first buy limit will be at the second line. Your second buy limit will be at the third line. And your third buy limit will be at the fourth line. Okay, that's because you're foregoing the first one in here. All right, set that trade up. Watch me on this channel. And you guys, once you get triggered in to your market order, whenever you do that, make sure you set up your sell limit at the first yellow line. And again, come over here to the front trade, click Ethereum right now and set up those trades, what I just showed you guys, and you can follow me on this channel as we manage this trade. And if we win the trade, you guys are definitely going to win the trade because you guys have better risk management, and also we're on our second buy limit where you will still have 3 buy limits to go down. Dad, I know I talked to you over the weekend about this. If you are watching this video right now, this is an incredible trade to get into. My family, if you're watching this is a great trade to get into. Market order right now, set up your other 3 buy limits and wait for this thing to mature. This is an incredible trade. I don't think anybody who enters this trade right now with a market order and you guys follow the other buy limits over here, I don't think any of you guys are going to lose this trade because the buy limits are so far spread out, Ethereum's going to have to drop super fast. So I'm pretty much giving you guys a winning trade right now. If you just set up your metrics over here, you guys watch this and you are following and you definitely have the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. Get these on your chart. The bundle deal is the best. I showed this to you guys already. If you go over to indicators, make sure you get this right here. It's $3.99. Just telling you guys, it's the cheapest we have. I'm upping all the prices of these indicators over the next few months, and the trend exhaustion is for sure going up in 10 days. So make sure you guys watch that. God bless you guys so much. This is so exciting to be trading with you guys. We're doing so well, and I'll cover ADA on this channel right after this video is rendered. All right, God bless you guys. Get everything you need in the description. Join us. Let's manage this trade, and let's see what we can do. God bless you guys, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.